Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of May and April. So yeah, that's all what I'm going to be doing today. So if you guys don't know what is Ipsy Glam Bag, Ipsy is a beauty subscription service wherein you pay $10 each month and you receive 5 deluxe or sample size makeup or beauty products. So yeah, I'm really excited to share with you guys what all I got for this month and for the month of April. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So let me go ahead and open this box for you. So that's my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of May. Such a beautiful glittery bag, as you guys can see, and it has a very beautiful black tassel to it. I love tassels and I really like this bag. So the first thing, without even opening the bag, I see are these 2 intense hydrating spirulina mask for dry, sensitive and tired skin. So these are a set of 2 sheet masks which I received. I am really into skincare, so I am definitely going to enjoy these. So the next thing which I see in my glam bag is a Farah brush 22E shade and blend brush. So that's the brush, and this is, as you guys can see, it's a dual-ended brush for applying eyeshadows, contouring, highlight and so much more. So yeah, that's the other product which I've found in my Ipsy Glam Bag. And now let me go ahead and open this bag and see what all is inside this bag. So first of all, I see a card and it says, "Don't give up on your daydreams, Glam Bag Plus is finally here." So yeah, that's the card, and inside it shows what products have I received. So the first, which I already showed you, are the sheet mask. Are these intense hydrating sheet mask, and the second product which I showed you was the Farah brushes 22E shade and blend. Now the next thing which I see inside is from Pixie, and it is their H2O skin drink pure hydration gel. Okay, and this is 12 ml or 0.41 fluid ounces, and it looks like this. This is a moisturizing gel, and it says it is made with healthy ingredients like green tea, aloe vera and rosemary extract, and this skin quenching gel formula cools, refreshes, heals and protects skin. So yeah, they are suggesting pop it into your fridge overnight. When you apply it in the AM, it will help depuff your skin. Wow. So this is a moisturizing gel and I really like it. So this is a Naked Cosmetics eyeshadow. Yeah, it's a loose pigment in the shade Painted Canyon. That's the eyeshadow. Naked Cosmetic products are made without fillers like oils, wax or talc that can be damaging to your skin. So update your smoky eye with this charcoal burgundy flecked shade. This is highly pigmented, finely milled and blends out easily with your fingers or a brush. Wow, so this is for a smoky effect. Eyeshadow from Naked Cosmetics. So that's my last product, and it is from Beauty Crop, and it is a bronzer in the shade Sardina Sand, and it looks like this. So it says, inspired by healthy living and natural ingredients, this brand utilizes plant-based ingredients and natural oils in all of their products. This cool tone bronzer gives you a sun-kissed glow. blends easily, and is made with antioxidant rich green tea extract to nourish your skin. And that's the bronzer. As you guys can see, such a beautiful shade. I really like it. So those were all the products that I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of May, and I am really happy with everything which I received. And I would say for $10, all the products that I received are quite natural, and even though they are like sample or deluxe size products, I really like them. And so yeah, now let me go ahead and show you what all I got in the month of April. So that's my Ipsy Glam Bag, and I already went ahead and opened it. So that's the bag. Look at it, guys. Such a beautiful summery shade with limes or lemons all over. I really like this bag. The good thing about Ipsy is that they give you a cosmetic pouch. So these are so good to carry your products on the go. So now let me go ahead and show you what all I got in the month of April. So here I have the card, and it looks like this. And inside I have all the products which I got in the month of April. So now let me go ahead and show you one by one. So the first product which I see is from Laura Sanchez Moods, and it is an eyeshadow in the shade Chocolate Shake. First of all, I would like to bring to your notice the packaging. Such a beautiful and stylish packaging. I really love it. Now let me go ahead and show you. That's how the eyeshadow looks like. It's a single eyeshadow, as you guys can see. Such a beautiful packaging, and that's the shade. Such a beautiful brown shade for nude looks, for smoky eye look. And yeah, again, so tiny, you can just pop it into your bag. I really like the packaging, and I'm definitely excited to try it out. The next thing which I see in this bag is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive Highlighter. This is a full-size product, guys. So amazing. Look at the shade, guys. Now let me go ahead and swatch it for you. That's the shade. Wow, such a beautiful shimmery shade. I really like it. And now, so this is a Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser from Tony Moly, and it looks like this. This is a deluxe size product, and this is 10 ml, and it says this gentle cleanser is made with nourishing peach extract and olive oil to condition skin while whisking away sweat, dirt and impurities. So that was my third product from my April bag. The fourth product, which is a creamy lip stain from the Balm Jour in the shade Namaste. Wow. Namaste, guys. This is how it looks. And now let me go ahead and show you. That's the shade, guys. And let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. That's the shade. I really love this shade. Now, last but not the least, the final product which I received in the month of April is from Tarte. Wow. And it is their Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I have used Tarte primers before, and I really like it. I'm really excited to have this in my bag, because this is a very good primer, guys, and this is quite hydrating as well. So now let me go ahead and tell you what it says in the card. This brand new primer is loaded with jojoba and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours, and coconut to smooth your skin. Plus it helps your makeup look better and last longer. And like all of Tarte's fab formulas, this one's vegan and cruelty free. So yeah, that was my final product. So those were all the products which I received in the month of April, and I really liked them. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I would like to say Ipsy is totally worth it, guys. For $10 you get 5 sample size or even deluxe size products, which I would say is definitely a very good deal, because most of the products are natural and also like quite good brands. So I would say it's very good deal. Let me know in the comment section below which of these bags was your favorite, and if you also are a Ipsy subscriber, let me know in the comment section below what all you got for your Ipsy Glam Bag. I would definitely love to hear that out. And if you like this video, you know the drill, guys. Like this video, share it with all your friends and family, and also if you don't want to miss on more amazing content from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye, and have a beautiful day ahead.